Hey guys, so today I'm going to be cooking oxtail. So as you can see, I poured the oxtail in the bowl. Then I broke some pieces and I'm going to add some salt. Mix that all up. And I have two things in pot. Then I'm going to put the oxtail in the pot and let that simmer. Then I'm going to add some sugar and mix that around. Then some barbecue sauce. Mix that around also. Keep mixing. We're gonna add jerk sauce, 3, and add seasoning. Add all your seasoning. I use about like 7 seasonings plus hot sauce and salt. We're gonna turn the oxtail over, then let that simmer. Then we're gonna go on the rice. I'm mixing the rice and adding salt. About 15 minutes. And then add more water and add the beans. Then let the beans sink in and cover that pot. Then cut up your potatoes. Add the potatoes. Then mix the potatoes in. Add some hot sauce. Then let that simmer 4 more minutes. And that is it. Look at that end result. So scrumptious.